Let's get to know Kevin from Puerto Rico, whose early love for custom cars and hands-on work guided him toward AIM. Raised by a single mother, affordability and value shaped his educational decisions. Kevin highlights AIM's financial accessibility, student resources, and leadership opportunities, like serving as a student ambassador while progressing through airframe and power plant training. Kevin, the floor is yours.
Appreciate the intro, Alex. Hey everyone, I grew up in a custom car shop back home in Puerto Rico, so maintenance and customization have always interested me. Some of my earliest memories are holding paint guns and watching my family bring cars to life. School wasn't always a priority, but taking things apart and fixing them always had my full attention. As the youngest of three, being raised by a single mother, I learned how important it is to get the most value for my dollar. So when the time came to choose where to study, finances were a major factor. AIM was close to home and truly affordable, so it was a no-brainer and felt like the place to build my future. I was right. I'm currently in block 6 of 17, completed my general training and passed my Federal Aviation Administration general exam. Now I'm in airframe training, and after that, I'll move into power plant. As I move through each block, AIM has supported me every step of the way. There's so many resources to help students succeed, like tutoring, career services, one-on-one support from instructors, student services, and a wide range of financial options. I'm also a student ambassador, so I help plan events, share ideas, and bring forward suggestions from my classmates. Stepping into a leadership role has given me a new perspective, and I'm grateful to represent and support the student community here. It's helped me grow not just as a student, but as a person. Balancing a full-time job and full-time studies makes it tough to think too far ahead, but my focus is simple: finish school and earn my airframe and power plant license. With the support and guidance at AIM, I know I'm on the right track. Back to you, Alex.
Kevin, your story shows that an accessible education can transform a student's future. From balancing full-time work and training to stepping into leadership as a student ambassador, you embody the AIM advantage. With determination and support, your path to earning the A&P license looks stronger than ever. Great job, Kevin.